I'm Bill, and I'll be your virtual itinerant professor of printmaking. And we're beginning with the end in mind, which is to create and maintain the printmaking teachers in a box. And I'm one of the many printmaking teachers that come in the box. We keep in mind the end. Keep the end in mind. Our end is to have a printmaking teachers in a box which contains a printmaking press, a papermaking kit, a plate making and printing kit, and a geophysical network of print pals, that is, other printmakers enjoying learning the experiences of printmaking. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to printing presses, printmakers look at presses like they're musical instruments, but the hand and the voice are musical instruments. And so it is true with printing presses too. Everything as simple as a hand print to wooden spoons to $30,000 hand printmaking presses. What I have here is a laser cut printing press called the Micro R press. Let me show you. The Micro R, R is for Rembrandt, was designed by Ekk Lory in Switzerland. It's kind of the Swiss Army knife of printing presses, and it prints this kind of print.